Hey, welcome to the ICE mission of the Avativut program. With Avativut, you participate in a real environmental monitoring. With the ICE mission, you will see how ice forms and transforms in your community. Moreover, you will help scientists to better understand changes and variability in the Arctic ice cover. That is useful work. How will we do that? Simply by using basic scientific techniques to collect data, such as interviewing,
Atatatsia akani ukiungulauyumi.
observing, describing, sampling, measuring, and analyzing. And today we'll explore the technique of the interview. The interview. It simply allows us to find out about what other people already know. It's like an investigation. We look for information on the past. So we'll ask our questions to ICE experts. Oh yes, our parents, our grandparents, or an elder in the community. And we'll also look for information that is specific to Inuit culture. For example, how do we describe ice in Inuktitut?
This week, we'll interview members of the community who are familiar with the ice, so that we have their perception of the nature of the ice last season. That's an interesting observation. However, you're still young and haven't experienced as many winters as your parents or your grandparents. It's harder for you to know if the last ice season was longer or shorter than expected.
Because Inuit have been observing ice for thousands of years, it makes them ice experts.
Atatatsia akani ukiungulauyumi. Sikuktakapinnisaulauyuva.
Kan sikuta kapin saulo galalau yuga man sikungu yang ni saulang koto akau tama sikuna sak pada sikuna salium miso depan kutuilwa pe mangat apa nan sikuyu vinyu mangat lasung modulu apin au yu mau tigisu
Asu.
nang yang nasi tau tiga sungu nak saulak sungu siku yu binyu wadwa tu mecho mana akto mesiko kaya onna cho taman naman cho ni kisian siku sungu lakto
Atatatsia siku nangyak na tualulauyuva kani.
kadlangin na law yo rujang
Siku outso tigilauyuva upik ngasami.
akto tiga pisungu lakto ko sa katal to udwa misung ni che ko yo hatal to makto tiga nang yang nasi tau tiga sungu lakto
Nalya akan takhingani awpalya satanka.
mai ni piya sungu mai piya sungu mai ayo na unna sungu
Nakumi.
Lale.
That's a great example of an interview, Victoria.
No,
don't worry, William. It'll be much easier than that.
During the interview, you won't have to write down all of what is said. You'll simply mark the answers you get from a list of possibilities. Then, in class, we'll compare everyone's answers and make a summary on a single form. We're going to determine the most popular answer. For example, if 10 people answered that the ice formed late, and 2 people said it formed early, The most popular answer is that the ice formed later than usual. Therefore, on the class form, we'll mark late freeze-up. If ever there is a tie in the answers, we'll mark uncertain. Once the class form is filled out, we'll transfer our answers to the Avativut internet site.
Does everybody understand? Each of you must first choose a person who has extensive experience with our winters. Then, you ask this person questions and record their answers. In class, we'll determine the most popular answers, and then we'll transmit these answers over the internet to the scientists.
With the interview, you now have a scientific technique to preserve the memory of the Arctic winters. At Sunai,